Orange upside down cake is perfect recipe to celebrate the citrus season. Use any kind of vibrant and flavorful oranges you have. So first, let's zest the orange. I'm going to need 1 teaspoon of orange zest. And for the flesh of the oranges, I'm going to use them as a topping of the cake. So remove all the peel and slice the orange. I'm using Cara and blood orange. I like to use different colored oranges. I sliced 3 oranges in total. Next, I'm going to grease the pan with olive oil. To this, I'm going to directly layer the orange slices and syrup. For the syrup, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add the mixture to the bottom of the pan and arrange the orange slices in a single layer. So now we're going to make the batter. It's a simple olive oil based cake. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to use 96 grams of coconut sugar, half cup of maple syrup, 1/3 cup of olive oil, half cup of oat milk or any plant milk you like, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Let's mix well to combine. To this, I'm going to add dry ingredients, which is 190 grams of whole wheat flour, 36 grams of arrowroot flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Shift the flour and gently fold it into the wet ingredients. Now let's transfer the butter into the baking pan over the oranges. Now I'm going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit until cooked through for about 30 minutes. After it's baked, let it cool. To remove the cake from the pan, run the knife between the cake and the pan to loosen. Then place the plate over the cake and gently flip it. And your gorgeous cake is gonna be removed safely. I'm going to top my cake with chopped pistachios and extra orange slices. Slice the cake and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!